What's going on, everyone? Welcome to my first video of 2021. First off, I want to wish all of you, my subscribers and viewers, a happy new year, and I wish you all the best for this year coming up. Also, I would like to say thank you to each and every single one of you, whether you watched 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 hours, 1 hour, or all the 4,000 hours. I was finally able to monetize my channel. Unfortunately, that does mean you are going to start seeing adverts on my YouTube videos. Everything up until this point has come out of my own pocket. So now finally being able to monetize my channel will hopefully help me to put money towards future mods for my cars. I know last year I haven't been fantastic at uploads, but this year I've made a promise to myself to upload more consistently, even if it's just shorter videos. Unfortunately, I can't always push out golf or automotive related content. But at the end of the day, this is a channel about me, so you guys might see some mods on cars, how-tos, DIY videos, some fishing videos, some 3D printing videos. I've got a lot of cool things coming up in the future, and I hope you guys enjoy it. This year coming up, I have started a new venture. I got myself a 3D printer, and my focus is to start making custom parts for cars that you can't actually really find at all. So if you want, give my Instagram page a follow. My personal one is Boss Island, and my new venture that I'm starting this year is Bespoke Prototyping. So I'll drop the links in the description below. So I think that's enough talking for now. I'm going to show you guys my 3D printing setup that I have at the moment. That's what I'll be using to produce all the parts that you're going to see. And I've been grinding hard on the prototypes for specifically Mark 1 Golfs. So I'll show you what I've come up with so far. Alright, so this is my 3D printer. I got the Ender 3 V2. The filament which I'm using is a SA filament PETG. It is locally made here in South Africa, and I've only had success with it so far. I'm really impressed with it. I do have some upgrades coming for my printer this week. I might make a video on it and upload it just so you guys can see what is going on. As you can see here, over the whole December period, I spent my time printing the model that I've designed and also different iterations of it with small adjustments to get the perfect fit and perfect final product. If you guys go follow my Bespoke Prototyping Instagram page, all the latest updates will be posted there. I do also have a hygrometer. This is to measure the temperature and the humidity within this whole enclosure that I've built, to try get the best possible products for you guys. I also made something quite nifty over there, which is like an infinity wall to get some sick product shots. So as I said, go follow the Instagram and all the updates will be there. I'm going to take you guys down to our Mark 1, and I do have one prototype set of these gauges already made. So I'll show you what it looks like in my car. Alright, so I'm just going to sit in here so I can show you what it looks like. Excuse all the crap on my car, I've been moving everything out of my workshop. But here we go. Here's the lower vent that replaces the air vent. It just pops in, there's no other additional hardware or cutting or anything you need to do. They're both designed to take a 52mm gauge, and this one up here is to replace the top air vent, and it also just clips in. There's no additional hardware or anything like that. So I'm going to show you what I've done in my car. These are the Sport Evo Gauges. So once they're on, I think it looks quite cool. From a driver's perspective, you can see them both pretty much clearly. This one is angled towards the driver, and this one's also at a different angle to the vent face. So I think they've come out quite cool. My goal is to produce these for all different types of cars. So that's pretty much what I've been up to this whole entire December. I'm quite happy with the results. Hopefully the upgrades to my printer will make them even better. But here's just a quick sneak peek of what's been going on behind the scenes. So there you have it, guys. That's the new products that are going to be on the market very soon for Mark 1 Golfs. I'm going to take you guys back upstairs now and tell you what my plans are for the rest of the year. So guys, I must admit I did record this video over 2 days. I got extremely busy the first day I started recording, so I had to split it over 2 days. I am looking at expanding the range eventually and starting to make more and more products for all the different types of cars and models. If you have any suggestions for parts that are difficult to find or that you think would work well for other models of cars, please let me know. You can hit me up in my DMs. I'll definitely take a look at them all and see if it's worthwhile making. I appreciate everyone's support. I look so forward to showing you the final products once everything's completed. I'm going to be uploading tons more videos this year. They might be shorter, but there's definitely going to be a lot more, mainly focusing on one specific thing in each video instead of a compilation of multiple things that I do. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon below to stay up to date every time I upload a video. Have a lucky day, everyone, and don't forget, be the person to make things happen. Peace.
Add it up.